Ginger, the unassuming root, packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. From ancient healing traditions to modern scientific research, ginger's reputation as a potent superfood continues to grow. For centuries, ginger has been revered for its medicinal properties, particularly in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine. Modern science has identified key bioactive compounds like gingerol, shogol, and paradol as the driving forces behind its numerous health benefits. These compounds exhibit antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic properties, making ginger a formidable ally in the pursuit of optimal health. Whether grated into stir-fries, infused into soothing teas, or baked into warming desserts, ginger adds a unique depth of flavor and a touch of warmth to any culinary creation. Embracing ginger as a regular part of your diet is like unlocking a treasure chest of wellness. So let's delve deeper into the specific ways ginger can transform your health, empowering you to live a more vibrant and fulfilling life. Don't let its unassuming appearance fool you. Ginger is a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and potent antioxidants, this humble root offers a wealth of health-boosting properties. Among its many treasures, ginger boasts significant amounts of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system. Ginger is also a good source of B vitamins, essential for energy production and maintaining healthy skin and hair. Ginger provides a healthy dose of potassium, crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure and supporting muscle function. The real stars of the ginger show are the unique bioactive compounds, gingerols, shogols, and paradols. Incorporating ginger into your diet is like giving your body a nutritional symphony, promoting optimal health and well-being. Chronic low-grade inflammation can wreak havoc on the body, contributing to a wide range of health problems. Fortunately, ginger emerges as a potent anti-inflammatory agent, effectively combating inflammation at its source. The gingerols in ginger possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties, blocking the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. Studies have shown that ginger can be as effective as some non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, in reducing pain and inflammation, but without the potential side effects. Research suggests that ginger can alleviate pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis and reduce muscle soreness after strenuous exercise. Beyond its direct impact on inflammation, ginger also acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Ginger's antioxidant properties help neutralize these harmful molecules, providing an extra layer of protection against inflammation and cellular damage. Ginger has long been revered as a natural remedy for nausea, and for good reason. Whether you're battling morning sickness, motion sickness, or nausea induced by chemotherapy, ginger can provide much-needed relief. Researchers believe that gingerols play a key role in alleviating nausea by interacting with the digestive system and the brain. Ginger's ability to speed up gastric emptying may also contribute to its anti-nausea effects. Beyond its nausea-fighting properties, ginger is also a digestive aid, promoting healthy digestion and alleviating digestive discomfort. Ginger stimulates the production of digestive juices, which help break down food and facilitate nutrient absorption. Whether you prefer sipping on ginger tea, adding fresh ginger to your meals, or taking ginger supplements, this versatile root can help soothe your stomach and improve your overall digestive health. Chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes, are among the leading causes of death worldwide. Emerging research suggests that ginger may offer some protection against these chronic conditions. Ginger's potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties are thought to be key players in its ability to combat chronic diseases. Studies have shown that ginger may help lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. Additionally, ginger may help lower cholesterol levels, further reducing the risk of heart disease. Some studies suggest that gingerol, the main bioactive compound in ginger, may inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. While more research is needed, these preliminary findings highlight ginger's potential as a natural cancer-fighting agent. Incorporating ginger into a healthy lifestyle may offer significant protective benefits against chronic diseases. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for overall health and well-being, and ginger can be a valuable tool in your weight management journey. Ginger's thermogenic properties are thought to play a role in weight management by boosting metabolism and promoting calorie expenditure. Ginger can help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings and promoting feelings of fullness. By promoting healthy digestion and reducing bloating, ginger can help you feel lighter and more comfortable. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is often linked to weight gain. Incorporating ginger into a balanced diet and regular exercise routine can be a powerful strategy for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Whether you enjoy it in tea, smoothies, or savory dishes, ginger can be a delicious and effective addition to your weight management plan. Embrace ginger as a natural ally in your journey to a healthier weight. Ginger's benefits extend beyond the physical realm, offering potential benefits for cognitive function and mental well-being. Preliminary studies suggest that this remarkable root may boost brain power and enhance mood. Ginger's antioxidant properties are thought to play a significant role in its cognitive benefits by protecting brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Some studies suggest that ginger may improve memory and cognitive performance by enhancing communication between brain cells. Additionally, ginger may increase blood flow to the brain, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to brain cells. Beyond its cognitive benefits, ginger may also positively impact mood with its uplifting and invigorating effects. Some research suggests that ginger may have anti-anxiety and antidepressant properties. Incorporating ginger into your diet may offer cognitive and mood-boosting benefits. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine is easier than you might think. Fresh ginger is incredibly versatile and can be used in countless ways. Grate it into stir-fries, soups, and curries for a zesty kick. Add thin slices to smoothies for a refreshing twist. Steep it in hot water with lemon and honey for a soothing and immune-boosting tea. Ground ginger is a convenient alternative to fresh ginger, perfect for baked goods and savory dishes. For those who prefer a more concentrated dose, ginger supplements are widely available. Experiment with different ways to use ginger and discover your favorite ways to enjoy its incredible health benefits. The culinary world is your oyster when it comes to ginger. This versatile root can be used in countless sweet and savory dishes, adding a unique depth of flavor and a touch of warmth. For a sweet treat, try baking with ginger in cookies, cakes, and muffins. Ginger pairs beautifully with fruits like apples, pears, and bananas. In savory dishes, ginger is indispensable in stir-fries, curries, and marinades. Ginger is also a fantastic addition to soups and stews, adding warmth and subtle spiciness. Don't forget about beverages. Ginger tea, smoothies, juices, and even cocktails can benefit from its flavor. Embrace your inner chef and experiment with different flavors and cuisines to discover your favorite ways to enjoy ginger. While ginger is generally safe for most people, there are a few precautions to consider. Pregnant women should exercise caution when consuming ginger, especially in large amounts. People with bleeding disorders or those taking blood-thinning medications should also be cautious with ginger consumption. Ginger may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, diabetes medications, and blood pressure medications. If you're taking any medications, it's essential to talk to your doctor before adding ginger supplements to your routine. While ginger is a natural and generally safe ingredient, it's always best to consume it in moderation. By following these precautions, you can enjoy the incredible health benefits of ginger while minimizing any potential risks. Consult with your healthcare provider to ensure it's appropriate for your individual needs. Ginger, the unassuming root with a fiery spirit, has earned its place as a culinary staple and a medicinal powerhouse. From its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties to its ability to soothe nausea, aid digestion, and potentially protect against chronic diseases, ginger offers a wealth of health benefits. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine is like unlocking a treasure chest of wellness. Whether you enjoy it in its fresh, ground, or supplement form, ginger can easily be incorporated into your diet. Embrace the power of ginger and experience the transformative effects of this remarkable root. From boosting your immunity and soothing your stomach to enhancing your cognitive function and promoting a healthy weight, ginger is a true superfood. So go ahead, spice up your life with ginger and unlock a world of health and well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. Stay healthy and stay informed.